Here it is.
Recording.
So much fun.
Your hair looks like a fuzzball.
You talking to see if the camera's in place.
How's it going?
I'm gonna measure it for right now.
Hello. How are you doing? Me.
Okay.
A fuzzball.
It reaches in the face if you do that. I'm scared of the hair. It's not funny.
No, not funny.
Are you doing bunny ears?
Yeah.
You scared me. This is us being nice to each other. Please. Oh, you gotta do the fish face.
Yeah.
Alright, I can move my hair. Let me see.
Wiggo! She's a wiggo.
It's not a wig.
She's a wiggo. Everyone on YouTube's gonna know you're a wiggo. Wiggo. For show. Wiggo.
Blondie.
Yeah. Wiggo.
I'm tall as a
Brownie.
Tall as a
Imagine if we jumped and bumped stuff.
No, that would hurt.
Yeah, then you would go right towards there.
That would hurt. I'm more afraid of jumping in the head. I don't want to go through the ceiling.
Well, at least I got coverage.
Your hair. Hi. Mine. You know the mine?
Yeah, I'm climbing up the stairs.
Oh, this is a mine. Oh, they don't talk. Oh. That's whatever major. You know who you are. Okay, peace out.
Now we'll go see the goodbye.
La, la.